Counseling and Psychological Services, commonly known as CAPS, provides you with individual counseling, group counseling, job-in services, referral services, psychoeducational programs, and more. CAPS is here to help you overcome personal challenges standing in the way of your academic, career, and life goals. Our counselors at CAPS are here to listen and provide support to students from all backgrounds and value systems. CAPS offers counseling when you're struggling with family and social relationships, romantic relationships, life transitions, sexuality, grief, stress, sexual assault, anxiety, loss, depression, and more. Sometimes the problems we're facing require more assistance than what can be found within our own circle of family and friends. That's why CAPS is here. Know that if you ever find yourself in an immediate crisis, take a deep breath and text BEACH to 741741. A confidential counselor will respond 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we will help you. Or call us anytime at 562-985-4001. Remember to reach out. We're here for you.